I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer money from your Affirm account to your card, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your balance and transfer options. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once logged in, find the section that displays your account balance. This is usually located on the home screen or under the Account tab. Step 3. Select Transfer option. Look for the option to transfer funds. This may be labeled as Transfer to Bank or Withdraw Funds. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter transfer amount. Input the amount you wish to transfer to your card. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum limits that may apply. For example, if you try to transfer more than your available balance, the app will prompt an error. Step 5. Confirm transfer. Review the details of your transfer and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the transfer is successful. I hope this helps you with your transfer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.